Hey everybody, it's Haley. Today we are making super easy and delicious blueberry muffins. These would be perfect for if you're making breakfast for the weekend, or even if you want to make them ahead of time to like eat before you go to school or work or whatever. This is a recipe from Claire Sapfitz. I have her cookbook here, which I love. She's so cool and very smart. Although this recipe is not in this cookbook, but this is still her recipe. Okay, let's get started. I wore as much blue as I possibly could today. I have half a cup of soft, like room temperature butter here. And you could use a mixer for this, but I think you can also make it by hand. And I'm gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar. You want to beat this together really well. Okay, I mixed that all together, and now we're gonna add in 1 egg and lemon zest, but I don't have lemons, so I'm just gonna use lemon juice, and hopefully it turns out good. But I feel like a lot of times, if you're not planning ahead to make a recipe like this, then you just gotta use what you have. And I don't know how many people keep lemons in their fridge all the time. We don't usually, unless I get them for baking. So, gonna mix this in real good. Alright, then in a bowl over here, I have 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm gonna stir that together. Then I'm gonna alternate adding my flour and my sour cream. So I'm gonna add about 1/3 of the flour, mix it in, add half of the sour cream, and then keep doing that. It looked a little bit separated before I added the flour, but I think it's doing better now. I know it can seem a little bit weird to be putting sour cream in something like muffins, but you can kind of think of it like Greek yogurt or just any other fat that you would put in, like heavy cream, milk, but it's just, you know, it's thicker, it has a little bit of a different flavor, you know, that gives it more depth. Ooh, this looks so good. I'm just folding my flour in, just being very gentle. All right, I'm adding in the last of my flour. Okay, I'm done mixing in my flour. Now we're going to add the blueberries and also some vanilla extract. Now, they didn't really say how much you're supposed to add for blueberries. I'm thinking maybe half a cup to 1 cup. So, just gonna guess. You just feel it. Feel how many blueberries you want. I might just use this whole bag. Yep. All right, done. And you do want to use frozen blueberries, if you can. All right, now I've got my muffin pan here, and I'm gonna line it with cupcake liners, or you can grease your pan instead, or grease and flour it if it's not nonstick. And now I'm gonna use a cookie scoop to put this batter into my muffin pan. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top before I bake them. And now we're ready to bake them. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, the muffins are all done. They look delicious. And I'm gonna try one. They're so soft and moist. And like very fluffy, light texture. Normally I like to have my blueberry muffins with like a crumble topping, but I actually like how it's just simple and you just sprinkle a little sugar on top. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, Half Price is eating. Oh my gosh, she's so loud. She is so loud. Oh, Half Price. Oh.